So in this tutorial, that we create, that we start to be friendly with a recent automation email automation system. That's very useful. For example, if we create a CMS or like below post size, after creating a post, we will remind that our audience can watch, can see our post directly. So we will directly send to their subscription emails. So this is very useful system. So in this tutorial, we will learn about it. So firstly, we will go to this website. We go to Resend. We go to this website. So I will go to documentation, and then I will go to sign in. I will click sign in, and then currently this is my account. I will log out. Okay, so I will log in with another account. So I will log in with this co-parallel account. So first of all, we will read the documents. So I click documents, and then I will click Node.js, and I will click Next.js. So this is our the overall steps that we had to follow. So first of all, in our project, we had to install this. So we have to install this. So I will install this. So okay, I will install that. Okay, I done. So I will run this program, this project. I will type this command and run that. So after, and then I will click this. So yeah, this is I already write. So you can create your own designs, your own features. Doesn't matter, because we just trying to be friendly with our Resend system. So and then we will have to do what we had to do. We had to do as it mentions, right? So in we create components folder, and within components folder, we create email template or TSS. So first of all, in app, I will create components folder. Okay, and then I will create this file. So for creating that file, I will get the file name. So okay, I get that file name. So I will copy this whole code. So I will copy right here. So right here, okay. So here I don't get this. I will get channel name. I will get the channel name. Channel name. This also. There's something's wrong. Wait. Channel name. Okay. Oh no. Yeah, that's correct. So I will write some text. If you want to learn about programming, you can go to our YouTube channel below. I will okay, and then I will get a link. So So this YouTube. So this is my YouTube channel. So I will give that link. So I will give co-parallel. Okay, that's it. Okay, the second step is finished, and we go back. The third step. So this is sending using React. So I will copy this whole code. So for this code, we had to create. We had to write into API folder. So I will create API send router.ts. So in app, I will create API folder, and then I will create send, and then I will create the latest file router.ts. So in that file, I will get this. Okay, so this is something's wrong. So we had to output. Yeah, but here is not the first name. It's gonna be Shannon name. Yeah. So Shannon name is not John. This is the fourth name. So we will change co-parallel. Okay. Okay, that's it. So this is something's wrong. This is type error. So we will change using Copilot. So here you will see one thing. We use Resend API key right here. So we don't have to create API key yet. We haven't stay create yet. So how we're gonna create API key? So we will go to this official website, and then we will create API key. So I will click this add API key. So I will get that API key, and I will copy that API key. So for using that API key, I will create local environment file. So I will get the env file. So within that file, I will create Resend API key variable. So I will get that API key, and I will use that API key right here. So where is that? Router.ts. So we already got API keys, and after that we will use it as fashion. So right here I will do like this. When I go page.ts, we had a sense email button. So for that button, I will create on click fashion. So and then I will call a fashion. Send email. Sorry. Send email fashion. So I will have to create this email fashion right here. No, this is not. So I will create that send email fashion. I will get that const variable, and then I will use RSS fashion. Okay, what? Okay, so when we click send email button, we will go to this API endpoint. So for that, I will use await. So because we await, we had to use a sense. So await fetch. So where are we gonna go to? So we go to local. Sorry, HTTP. We go to this local server. So right here. So it's just local host. So right here is gonna be slash, and then we go API, and then we go send. So here we don't get method. Sorry, we get method is gonna be post, and then we get headers. So it's content type. Content type is gonna be application JSON. Okay, that's it. So we don't get body. So when we click this button, this is gonna be go to this API endpoint. So it will reach to the API endpoint. So it will send to the email. So here, this one more thing. This is the default email that's gonna send to this email. So here I will change to our own email. So our own email is right here. So this is my email, right? So I will go to my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. So this is my Gmail. I will channel Gmail, so I will paste right there. So here, hello buddy. Okay, I will get that like that. Okay. So let us try it. Here, I will explain again. Here we click send email button right here. When click send email button, it will go to this API endpoint. So when it reaches to API endpoint, it will go with this method, post method, and header is content application JSON. But this is not necessary, I think. So it reaches to this here. So we had to get a fashion name. I will change this. I don't like it. I don't use the force. I will use sports in fashion. I will get post. Sorry. I will get the fashion name post, and then I will remove this arrow. Okay, that's what we want. So when you reach to the API endpoint, so that API endpoint is gonna be run this code to send email. So this code, so for sending emails, it will use resend. So it will use resend, and then it will get API resend API key from environment file, and then it will send to email this email template. So okay, let me check it. So I click it. So when we go to check our email, so here, so we can use email. So that's our project. If you want to learn about programming, you can go to our YouTube channel. So I click it, so it will reach to our YouTube channel. So this is pretty simple. So okay, finally I will explain again. So we will read the document again. Here, so we will get first of all, we will install this Resend, and then we will create an email template, and then we will send email using React. So this is for the backend API endpoint. So totally it has 3 steps. So it's pretty simple. So I hope you guys understand. So finally we receive this email. So here the important thing is, if we don't use domain name, so if we don't set a domain, so we had to get this Gmail, it's gonna be the same, the created account Gmail right here. If we use the Gmail is right here, our Gmail is our Gmail is coparallel. So it also has to be coparallel.gmail.com. If it is another email, it doesn't work. So okay, so see you in the tutorial.